If your bookkeeping feels more complicated than it should, you're not alone. And the software you choose can make all the difference. We're unpacking QuickBooks, its features, limitations, and what to consider before committing. Subscribe to follow the full series and feel confident about setting up your business the right way. QuickBooks is designed for small and medium businesses, offering a toolkit that helps simplify your day to day financial tasks. With QuickBooks, you can automatically input transactions from your bank, raise invoices and track expenses effortlessly, stay on top of cash flow with real-time dashboards, and file VAT digital in line with Making Tax Digital compliance. It's a practical option for a business that want clarity and control without the manual hassle. Pros and cons breakdown. The pros: widely used with lots of community support, integration, and tutorials. Offers reliable audit trails and insightful reporting. Flexible pricing plans for businesses at different stages. The cons: the dashboard can feel very busy, which might make it a bit overwhelming for newcomers. Some users experience minor bank feed syncing delays. Advanced features like multi-currency or project tracking are only available on higher tier plans. It's powerful, but you'll want to make sure you only pay for the tools you'll actually use. Who should use QuickBooks? QuickBooks is ideal for sole traders, limited companies, and small teams looking for robust features and flexibility. It does require a little time to get used to, but once you're in the flow, it can save you hours each month. QuickBooks is just one option. If this helped, give it a like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical, jargon-free accounting advice from Burton's Academy.